Welcome, everyone, to a story of science, persistence, and justice. Today we're exploring element 109, Meitnerium. This isn't just another entry on the periodic table. It's a tale of one atom, one name, and one act of scientific justice that took decades to achieve. Stick with me to discover how this element righted a historical wrong. Let's start with the basics. Meitnerium is a synthetic, super-heavy element with atomic number 109. It doesn't exist in nature. Scientists had to create it, one atom at a time, in a lab. For years, it was a theoretical ghost, a placeholder on the table. But its discovery, and more importantly its naming, would finally honor a woman who had been erased from scientific history. Lise Meitner was a brilliant physicist who co-discovered nuclear fission. But when her male colleague, Otto Hahn, won the Nobel Prize for their work, her name was missing. For decades, she received no credit. Meitnerium was the chance to correct this oversight by naming element 109 after her. The scientific community finally acknowledged her monumental contributions. In 1982, a German team at the GSI Helmholtz Center in Darmstadt first synthesized Meitnerium. They smashed iron nuclei into bismuth atoms, a delicate and rare process. For years, they could only produce a few atoms. Each one lasted only a fraction of a second. The race was on, not just for discovery, but for a name that would carry historical weight. The debate over the element's name was intense. After years of deliberation, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry officially named it Meitnerium in 1997. This was a direct, deliberate act of historical correction. It wasn't just scientific naming, it was a statement. Meitner's legacy was now permanently etched into the foundations of chemistry. What do we actually know about this element? Its properties are largely theoretical. It's predicted to be a dense, radioactive metal. Its isotopes decay rapidly, mostly into bohrium, but its position on the periodic table, in the noble metals group, suggests unexpected chemistry. Each fleeting atom teaches us more about the limits of matter itself. The story of Meitnerium is a model for how science can correct its own mistakes. It shows that recognition, though delayed, can still come. For young scientists, especially women, it's a powerful reminder that your contributions matter. The periodic table is a human record, and we can edit it to reflect truth and fairness. So, what's the takeaway? Meitnerium is a symbol of correction and integrity. It reminds us that science isn't just about data. It's about people, history, and the stories we choose to tell. As we continue to expand the periodic table, we must remember to honor those who built the foundations. Thank you for listening to this story.